Pretty skin in a birthday suit. Tonight just wear your favorite perfume.
Viewer subscriber, me not go be honest too no. And the most I wonder say yo, how this song dropped a month ago. I'm just a Falcom review it. Viewer subscriber, that song is special. That song makes something special happen to me. So I have to come talk about it. I have to Falcom make you know the impact of that song we have on people right now. Viewer subscriber, stay tuned.
Put your phone back, don't disturb too. Tonight me have you on a curfew. Me know, I know the push of your so soft. Take a sip of the liquor. Girl, you really turn me on. Yeah, play your favorite song. I'm over.
You a subscriber. You see the first part of the song, yeah? I teach you. It's a tell you how to get the night started. You see when the girl come over, this is the first step you go take. Your phone and your phone. Airplane mode. No disturb mode video pan. Because guess what? That kind of vibe yeah, where that song I give you. You don't need no disturbance. Yeah man. And that a go on. So once you start the night like this, you can't go wrong.
Baby, just wine for me, wine for me. Love it when you wine on it, wine on it. Baby, when you wine for me, your pussy worth it. Feel just like I'm virgin.
Viewer subscriber, me nah lie to you no. That song yeah, nice like sex. Yeah man. The man jump in a line and I say yo, my girl, wine pon it no. I want to you. The man say yo, the way how you wine, you make it feel like a virgin. Viewer subscriber, me I go make you know what happened to me. What that song ya make happen to me right now. Me and I be up on lockdown. Big woman thing. And that song ya play. And it reached at that exact part the way you hear play a while ago. And watch I do? I put the girl in front of the mirror. I'm go so now. My boss are wide open. I'm start tick-tacking her vagina. And the girl scream out and say, hold on, stop, Irons boss. Lend me my phone. The girl goes so and call one of her friend them and say, Mama, you have to forward. Come get piece of that jar here too. Because you tell me say, you do a thing what day, Panda singer, and never work out. She say, yo, Irons boss at the man be fine. Panda singer. Right me over here, I go on with a bag of things. And you need to come intervene. Take in some more, right?
She bite her lips, but know me touch her not the right spot. Anytime I kiss her on her neck, me know she like that. Now go break your heart, anything else broke, get me bite back. Tell me if it's slap her on her ass and me say why not?
Rule number 1 on this song. This song is not for the rabbit fuckers. Yes. This song is a song where the lady them want for you play and you work with the flow. That look a romantic thing there. You tick-tacking at the vagina. Get the body in a one mood. Yes. Them little thing there. Kiss her upon her neck. You know what I mean? For me see she look upon you, you know so she like that. You know what I mean? Anything you broke, you can bite back. So don't worry about that. You know what I mean? Slap her upon her ass. Romantically. You know what I mean? Make she feel her vibes there. And that a go on of them tune ya. That song ya have the thing buzzing. That song ya make a friend have a call over a friend. Right now, me have 2 friends. And guess what go on? The phone take up again. And a 2 more friend pull up. Just to the Irons Boss performance. As me say, this song is not for the rabbit fuckers. Take in some more.
Baby, just jiggle, cause you know your body turn up. You me want you feel your brace when you feel it now your stomach. All when I hour pass, baby, me things still turn up. And your little freaky ways make me really love you so much. Tonight me have you on a curfew.
Class in session. Viewer subscriber. If you like the song, press like. If you like the visual, press like. If you like our Chinamana perform, press like. If you like what happened to Heinz Boss, press like. Viewer subscriber. Bad song a bad song. A them kind of work that me I talk about. You have to put on the work on the girl body. If you get something. Like I'm telling us right now, it reached to a foursome. First in my life, me I get a foursome. And if I never this song by Da Vinci along with my performance, it will be possible. So right now, me I go say Da Vinci. Me I go say Not Nice Records. Big up for that one, yeah. Right there and then. Baby jiggle up. Because you don't know. Your body turn up. Right now, me a brace it up on you, my friend. Make you feel it all up in your stomach. Yeah, man. Right now, you know, it's an hour pass. And the thing still stand up. No joke thing. The vibe right. Everything I connect. Yeah, man. And guess what? Baby girl. You see you like a freaky ways. And that I love you so much. Bad song. Taking some more.
Baby girl, right on it. Oh, me baby girl, right on it. Love when I wake up your face, tell me don't stop it.
Viewer subscriber, the world singer. I make the girl know say yo. Me not gonna lie to my friend. Me love it. Me like when I ride on the thing. Yeah, you give me a vibe. The man say, yo, me love when you make up your face. And tell me, say, yo, don't stop it. Who can relate? You need to leave a comment in the comment section and press like. Because see that part there? I true think that. You see when the girl tell you, say, yo, keep it right there, sir. And don't stop it. It's a buzz. Something a go on. She a like what she a feel. And when the man himself too, I tell the girl, say my girl, don't stop right upon it. Continue upon that same pace there. Don't speed it up. And don't go slower. Keep it right there, so. The thing intense. Continue. Bad song a bad song.
Bad girl, me love bad man, you like it. Yeah. Love you like my gun. And I left my side.
Hello? What you say? Da Vinci take away next to that girl with the new song Virgin. I know say if you tell you the truth though, I hit me there review. A bad song, man. Bad song, you know? So you got my friend.
Pussy good girl, me can't see it for me like it. Search your back and look back for me. Baby, just wine for me.
Yeah, big girl. You're not 4 year head, man. I know I forgot to work. 400 on the ends. A request send out. I start off with 1, then I get 2. Next time the phone take up a 2 more forward. History in the making. Heinz Boss get 4 some. And the cause of the song, along my performance. Bad song a bad song. My officer big up Da Vinci. My officer big up Not Nice. And my officer big up to the girl who make the first call. And my officer big up to me. If you keep me in shape, we can put on them work there. If you make that go on. So what you know? The girl like bad man. So it's same like how I angle my gun. I some angle the girl them. I keep them close to me and caress them. Like how I carry the trigger. I saw me go to work. My girl, I love when you whine on it. Yeah, you go hard. The way you whine on it, you make it feel like a virgin. I have a reason with her and tell her in her ears. While me a whine up in it. While me a tick-tock in her. Yeah, man. A them thing there. Virgin are the song for listen to. As we all know, it around the street. See me get a phone call a while ago. And ear say. And when me say that, you know, and it's a phone call me get. And that they must say on the next in a line. They must say the man take with the man them girl with that one song, yeah. Me no know. But the street have it, Me see people are propose on it. Bag of things are going. Me get foursome, so it a work. Big up to you, Ja Vinci. Big up again, Not Nice Records. At the Irons Boss. At the Ironsing TV. Subscribe for the first time to the channel. Like and share. Leave a comment. And don't forget, hit that post notification. You know what I mean? Share it to your friend them. Everyone your friend in your contact. Broadcast it, make it reach out. Bad song a bag song. I'm out.